These are my pumpkin spiced Rice Krispie Treats, coated in chocolate and salted caramel, the perfect fall snack. Hey homies, thank you for checking out this video. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button to join the family. Today I'm making pumpkin spiced Rice Krispie Treats. They are cute, simple, and so good. Let's get into it. This is the basic recipe with a fall twist. So you'll need 5½ cups of cereal, 4 cups of marshmallows, minus the ones that you eat, 3 tablespoons of butter, I'm using salted butter, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, and 3 tablespoons of pumpkin. Start by melting down your butter in a large pot. Use one of the biggest pots you have so that it's easy to stir once you add in all the cereal. Once your butter is melted, go ahead and throw in the marshmallows. Try not to eat too many. Or, you know what? Don't try. I always end up eating a bunch of them, so I cannot judge. I'm sure you've made Rice Krispie Treats before, but just in case you haven't, this is what we're looking for. Complete liquid marshmallowy goodness. Okay, so here's where we get into the twist. Once your marshmallow is melted, you're going to add in the pumpkin. This recipe is so good. You know, Rice Krispie Treats are one of those things that just never get old, especially when they're fresh. This pumpkin spice version is the perfect fall snack to satisfy your cravings and give you that nostalgic feeling. After the pumpkin comes the spice. Stir until well mixed. And finally, just add in your cereal. Keep stirring until every grain is covered. I'm using some chocolate chips and caramel chips to give these a nice coating. I microwaved them off camera, just following the directions on the packaging. And I'm going to be shaping them in some molds that I picked up from Joann Fabrics. These are silicone molds that are not only cute and festive, but they make it super easy for the Rice Krispies to come out once they're done. If you don't have molds, you can spread your mix into a sheet pan and top it with your chocolate and caramel. You can cut them out when you're done, or try using cookie cutters to shape them. Either way, they'll be just as good. I just love how the chocolate and caramel really pick up the details in these molds. That makes the final product look even better. For the salted caramel ones, I'm sprinkling a little bit of coarse ground sea salt into the mold before I spread in the caramel. And make sure that you spread that chocolate and caramel into every nook and cranny of the molds so that you really get a good shape. Now, just fill each mold with the Rice Krispie mixture and press it down. And now they're ready to go into the refrigerator to set up. So I put these into the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, quickly got impatient, and decided to check on them. Obviously, it was not ready, so I put them back in for another 30 minutes. So I would definitely say that these need 45 minutes to an hour to be completely set up. Look how cute they are! I love how the chocolate and caramel pick up on the details. Delicious and beautiful. What more could we want? I went ahead and added some more salt because this caramel was super sweet. It really needed the extra salt to balance it out. Plus, I like to be able to see when I'm getting salted caramel versus regular caramel. And that's it. So easy, so delicious, and so cute. I hope you try them out because you are going to love them. Another cute and easy fall snack are these chocolate turtle candy apples. Just as easy and delicious as the Rice Krispie recipe. Check out my next video to find out how to make them. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!